I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my series on calculus. In this video, we'll take up a very important example which is based on derivatives of functions and it relates to tangents and normal. In case you want to learn from me, you can always write an email on the address given. Also, check our website for the latest videos. We have seen similar questions which I am talking about in many test papers, and therefore I am classifying this as extended exam practice. We are given a function f of x which is square root of x minus 7 and a line 2x plus y minus 3 equals to 0. Part A of the question is, find the point P on the curve of f of x which is equal to minus square root of x minus 7, where the tangent to the curve is normal to the line 2x plus y minus 3 equals to 0. Correct? So tangent to this function is normal or perpendicular to the given line. We need to find that point on the function. And part B is, find the point of intersection of the given line and the tangent at P. So there are two parts to it. I'd like you to pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. Let's try to understand this situation. So let me show you with the help of approximate graph, how should it look like? Well, let's sketch the function first, which is f of x equals to square root of x minus 7. So the function should be square root function shifted 7 units to the right, So kind of like this, right? So we'll have a function which is like this. We can say this is the point 7 here, right? Now we do have a line which is 2x plus y minus 3 equals to 0. So when you're given a line 2x plus y minus 3 equals to 0, you could actually sketch this line, right? So let's rearrange. We can write this as y equals to minus 2x plus 3. That means the line is kind of going like this. You can also find x and y intercepts, right? So if I substitute x equals to 0, we get a point which is 3. So let's say 3 is somewhere here. Okay, so let's say 3 is somewhere here, right? So if I substitute y equals to 0, then we get 3 over 2, which is somewhere there, right? 3 over 2. So let me draw this line also. Let us say that the line is something like this. Okay, so that becomes the point 3, the y-intercept on the line. What are we trying to find? We want a tangent which is normal to this, right? So normal, which means like kind of like this. Do you see that? So that means making 90 degrees angle. That is what we want. And this is the point P which we are looking forward to. So I think you've got the concept, correct? So basically, we'll find the derivative of the function, which is the line itself, right? And then we'll find what is this point x, right? So we'll have to find the value of x. That is the question, correct? So let's see how do we do it. Okay, here is the solution. So as I was saying, first part, we are given the equation of the line, which is 2x plus y minus 3 equals to 0. Rearranging, we get slope of the line, which is minus 2. Now this is the given line. We want normal to the line. Slope of the normal will be negative reciprocal. So the slope of the normal is half. So that means that the derivative of the function should be equal to half at the given point P, right? Function given to us is square root x minus 7. Let's find the derivative, right? So the derivative of this function is half of x minus 7 to the power of minus half, which can be written as 1 over 2 square root of x minus 7. Now this slope should be equal to half, right? So we need to find the point where this value of x is equal to half, which is the normal to the given line. Is that clear to you? So that gives us the function and the equation to find the point P. So let's now calculate the point P. Equating half equals to 1 over 2 square root of x minus 7. Just cross multiply or cancel 2 and then cross multiply. We get square root of x minus 7 equals to 1. Square both sides, right? So square both sides. Once you do that, you get x minus 7 equals to 1. Take 7 to the other side and we get the value of x as 8. The y value will be, substitute 8 in the function, and the original function 8 minus 7 square root is 1, and therefore we get the point P, which is 8, 1. Is that clear to you? So that is the first step, and so we have found the point on the curve where the tangent to the curve is normal to the given line. Now let's do the other part, which is we'll find the point of intersection of the line and the tangent at P. Now point of intersection means first you have to find the equation of the tangent, right? So first part is find equation of the tangent, right? And then we can find the point of intersection, right? So we have to now find equation of the tangent. At P. So that is what we are going to do. So we are given the line. We know that the line could be written as minus 2x plus 3, the slope being minus 2. I'm just repeating the things which we just did. Normal being half, right? And that was the function. This is the derivative. And we did find that the point was 8, 1. Now we need to find the equation of this tangent. We'll continue from here. So since the point is given to us as 8, 1, and we know that the equation of the line should be y equals to half x plus b, since the slope of the line is half, right? So substituting the slope m as equal to half, m equals to half for us, and now we know that the point is 8, 1. So we'll substitute 8 for x and 1 for y to find the value of b. Rearranging, we get 1 minus 4 equals to minus 3, and substituting b as equal to minus 3, we get our equation of the tangent, right? So this is the equation of tangent. So once we have equation of the tangent, we already know the equation of the given line, we can find the point of intersection, correct? So we can do the substitution and find it. So let's do it. So now we have the equation of the line. We now have the equation of the tangent, which is y equals to half x minus 3. Substituting half x minus 3 in the equation, and then we can solve for x, right? Half plus 2 is 5 by 2x, minus 3 is minus 6. So we get 5 by 2x minus 6 equals to 0. Now solve for x. 6 times 2 over 5 gives you the value 2.4. Substituting 2.4 in our equation, we get the value of y as minus 1.8. So that becomes the point of intersection. So here is the complete solution in the graph. We have the square root function, which is f of x given to us. And then we have the function, which is the tangent. Let me call this as f dash. And this tangent is at x equals to 8, right? X equals to 8. And this is normal to our line, which is given to here, line 1, which is 2x plus y minus 3 equals to 0, right? And that becomes the point of intersection, which we calculated just now as x value being 2.4 and the y value being minus 1.8. Is that clear to you? So that is how we have to find solution for such questions. Now these are very popular questions in any test paper. So I hope this solution really helps. Feel free to write your comments, share your views, and if you like and subscribe to my videos, that'll be great. Also, you can always email me with your queries. Thanks for your time and all the best.